Hey guys, welcome back to Mad Bros 123. We're here with Max.
Yeah, of course.
Squids,
Alan,
Lucas and Ellen, and Lucas and Nate from Alan Studios.
And we're going to be filming a Nerf video. Nerf war today. Yeah. I have a knife.
This is somewhat of a class, right? It's like 7 because we're all you down. Right? We're gonna cause some loud.
And then we got some guns, so it's gonna be around our block. So yeah.
And we need to tell them the teams.
Oh yeah, it's me and Max versus all. I'm gonna be
Squiddles, Nate.
I'll make a part 2 of this.
Dylan is not here, and Jax. They left. Dylan had a really bad stomach ache, and yeah.
So yeah.
Why are we going your way?
And on the Charlie challenge, that was really good. I was so scared. So yeah.
Yeah.
We have to tell Max something about our channel.
You start off wherever you want. Okay.
I'll tell you about it later.
Don't follow.
Well, the Charlie challenge was really fun. There's my cat Nico for the cat videos.
He's so nice.
He's so nice. Okay. Nico, come on, do your parkour skills. Dun, dun, dun,
Parkour
dun,
skills.
dun, 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 dun. Nah,
Yeah,
nah, nah.
Cat on
Dun,
camera, guys.
dun,
Cat
dun.
on camera. He's like
So if you like kitten videos, there you get one.
Because I love cats. La, 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 la.
Shot in the leg. Let's go, Max. I'm just kidding.
Sorry,
shoot,
guys,
this is a
but we
huge
just do
video.
some jokes because we're cuckoo.
Yeah, but this video will probably be about 7 to 10 minutes, and then we'll make a part 2 if we have to.
Yeah,
My
if we
bloody
have to.
knife here. We're gonna go stab some peeps.
And
We're playing
we're
around our
in this
block.
video. So guys, we're probably going on scavenger hunt because
They are not gonna find us, hopefully.
yeah, hopefully.
So I got my bloody knife as I showed you. Got this,
Big shock.
the quality's not that great, but I got this big shock.
I got the what is it?
Sling fire.
Yeah, sling fire. I don't have the sling fire. I might get it, but I don't know.
It's pretty good.
Oh god.
Let's go, Max. Come on. Okay, guys. Grumpy dog.
They're right behind us. You know that, right?
So, guys, sorry about that. Oh, they're gaining on us. This part is not good.
I need some camera.
So we're doing bad.
So, gosh, there's black cat. But they're going right there.
Black cat, guys.
No, he's gonna chase after us, but okay, never mind. But
Max.
I'll be back.
Follow me, Max. We'll try not to talk from now on. He will, but he doesn't know.
They're coming around. Sorry, guys.
Miss.
They're coming around. They're coming around us. I know.
Max, come on.
That's you can take my bullets.
Here, Max.
Guys, come on.
Let's fire.
Guys, get out of here. I don't have any pockets. Come on. Put it in your pocket. I don't have it.
Max, try not to talk.
So, guys, so we just found them, so.
Yeah, zoom out a bit.
And I got the modular scope on because, well,
Well, because it had the modulus and he got all the scope.
and so, yeah.
Okay, we're gonna set up the camera because hopefully we get a kill right here.
Okay.
Modulus
There's the scope,
scope.
modulus.
I'm sorry if the quality is not that great. Just we couldn't get it better. He missed.
You gave me away.
He missed. He missed. He's missing. Ah!
Run! Run!
You have to collect all your bullets.
I didn't shoot any.
Let's run. Let's run. that was
just got ambushed.
really bad quality. We just got ambushed. Lucas, I should have had it set up for the kill.
And
Seamus, which is Skittles, as you know him. We didn't make the birthday video yesterday. I'm sorry. We'll try to make a gaming Black Ops 2 videos today. Gonna be filming a lot of videos today. Maybe be overkill. Maybe like 3 or 4, something like that. So, biker. No, biker man. No parking. 12 o'clock. Oh yeah. So let's go. I'm so sorry. This has been no. Max, we should actually go in and kill them because there's been no action, and this video has basically just been a holding gun and watching them shoot us live. So basically, we're gonna go in and kill them now, right?
Yeah,
You're gonna fire your bullets finally.
Oh, I think my bullets are in the alley.
Fired?
Yeah, I think I fired one, but I can't get the thing out.
Could you? Max, hold it. Put it down. Okay, Max, hold the camera. So guys, we're having trouble. Got it out. You have to fire. Okay. Max, the 3 bullets I have in my pocket. Okay, Max. Load your weapon. Okay, guys. 7 minutes into the video. This video has not been pretty cool. We'll try to edit some parts, but we do not know how to edit. We have a sick new intro. The other one that says February 1st. Now it says Mad Bros. And then it's like just Mad Bros 1, 2, 3 presents, and then the video starts. It's pretty cool. I already told you the app. I use ballistic knives. No. There they are.
You surrender?
They don't surrender. I already know this trick. It's happened to me before.
Never. My bullets.
They're gonna shoot Nate. Kill Nate.
Nate, you just stole all my bullets. My green bullets. I have to do my bullet. They're my
Shoot
green
him.
bullets.
Shoot him.
This is my bullet. I'm dropping
Better kick your gun.
it.
Pick up his gun.
One
man.
of these are all mine.
That doesn't mean all the bullets are yours.
These are mine. These bullets are mine.
Hold this camera.
So guys,
Max,
It's gonna.
No, Max, point at Lucas.
So, Lucas. Sorry, guys.
I don't have the
Can't see Lucas, but right there.
Not loaded.
Empty out your pockets.
He's dead. I don't have pockets.
Lucas is out. Lucas. Run! Sorry, guys. Wait, guys, stop! Stop! Sorry, guys. Nothing. Sorry, guys, but I thought the camera stopped, but it didn't. So, sorry. Lucas is going to be lifted behind for right now. Sorry, guys. I'm really, you can see only my face, and I'm really sorry. But the quality's not best. But I'm trying to get really good quality. What? There's Lucas.
You want to end the video and make part 2?
So we're gonna make the part 2 today.
I can't see you.
Oh, sorry guys, but we're gonna end the video today. And sorry if you can only not see me, but
We're gonna make a part 2.
yeah, right.
So yeah, Max, and you know the line.
Don't be a sheep, be a pro.
See you next time, guys. and
Say it.
Bye.
Bye.